Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to create a campaign in Quick Hub CRM, helping you connect with your contacts through personalized messages and automated scheduling. Start by opening Quick Hub and click on CRM from the dashboard. Next, click on Contacts under the CRM section to view your contact list. Select the contacts you want to include in your campaign. Then, click on Create Campaign to begin. Enter your campaign name. Then click on Choose Template to browse from the available designs. Select the real estate category, then click on Template 5 to preview it. Once you're satisfied, click Select Template to apply it to your campaign. Next, click on Select Contacts to confirm your chosen recipients, and then click Next to proceed. Now, click on Schedule to plan when your campaign will be sent. Edit the date and time, according to your preference, then click Schedule to finalize it. After scheduling, click Check Schedule to review your campaign summary. You'll see all the key details, including the template used, scheduled time, and selected contacts. This ensures everything is set perfectly before launch, and that's it! You've successfully created and scheduled a campaign in Quick Hub CRM. Use this feature to stay connected with your audience and automate your marketing effortlessly. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you manage and grow your business smarter.